Hello, this is Subiranjan. Welcome to my channel. The OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro are on their way and potentially expected a bit earlier than usual in mid-March. That much we already know, alongside some pretty credible chatter of a third OnePlus 9e to complete the lineup. Thanks to an abundance of renders of varying believability, I also have a pretty good idea as to what the upcoming phones look like. Today, however, I am bringing you the biggest and tangible leak for the OnePlus 9 5G to date. It seems the prototype unit is out in the wild and has been involved in an up-close and personal hands-on photo session. So this episode of Inside Stories is going to be very wonderful, and guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. Starting the tour around back first, since it's the most interesting side, I see that some of the preliminary renders check out and come really close. That is to say, if we assume this is a late stage prototype with the final design, which judging by how it looks and the fact that it boots and seems to mostly function normally is a safe assumption to make, but more on software in a bit. The main camera setup clearly consists of two big snappers and a third smaller unit accompanied by an LED flash. This all matches vanilla OnePlus 9 rumors. As far as I know, the OnePlus 9 Pro is the interesting one in the camera department with its mysterious alleged fourth additional snapper. The major leak does also offer a few screenshots with hardware info on the unit. I will circle back to those, but as far as cameras are concerned, 12 megapixel and 4 megapixel are being reported. We can only assume that translates to a 48 megapixel main camera and a 6 megapixel ultra wide. Before I move on to the front of the device, you might be wondering about the weird logo printed on the back of the unit. It is essentially a placeholder. Most manufacturers have their own flavor and way of marking prototypes in such a manner. This is totally expected. From the front, the OnePlus 9 5G appears to closely resemble its OnePlus 8T predecessor. That includes the 6.55-inch flat 120Hz HDR 20:9 2400 by 1080 pixel Full HD Plus panel itself. Likely just a slight tweak, if not absolutely identical to the one on the OnePlus 8T. Bezels around it look pretty thin, but not a marked improvement over its predecessor. The source reports that the frame on the OnePlus 9 5G is metal, likely aluminium. All of the buttons and ports seems to be in their familiar places. The signature OnePlus alert slider remains a staple, in case anyone was worried. I was also pleased to see a solid looking rubber seal on the single nano SIM card tray. As far as I currently know, OnePlus will mostly be sticking to its long-standing practice and forego an official IP rating for the vanilla OnePlus 9, while still offering it to some degree in practical terms. The OnePlus 9 Pro might be the only one to get a formal ingress protection stamp. Last but not the least, the rest of the screenshots of the OnePlus 9 5G unit feature a major highlight in the Lahania chipset, which is the code for the new Snapdragon 888. For Snapdragon 888, press the I button. That was my previous video. So guys, this was all about the leaked OnePlus 9 5G. If you like this video, please give me your likes, comments and shares, which is very much expected from me. And guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon such that whatever the latest leaked information I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.